Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to become a Fedex driver. To become a Fedex driver, you will need certain things. First, you must be at least 21 years old, have a valid driver's license for the type of vehicle you will be driving, and have a clean driving record. Next thing you'll need to do is to apply for a position. Go ahead and open up a web browser for yourself and go to careers. Type in careers.fedex.com, and once you type in the URL, you will end up in this Join Fedex website. After you type down the location and the job title, click on Find Job and check if there is any driver positions available. If you find some job positions available, you can click on the Click to Apply button right next to the job. Now sign into your Workday account by entering your email and password in the text boxes. If you don't have a Workday account, you'll need to create one by clicking on Create Account link. After filling in your credentials, click on Sign In, and once you're signed in, make sure that you fill out all of the application form accurately and provide all necessary information. If your application is successful, you may be invited for an interview where your driving record, experience, and suitability for the role will be assessed. So that is how you will be able to apply and become a Fedex driver. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.